Hello friends, today healthcare is very reactive, episodic, fragmented and centered around departments, radiology, oncology, cardiology, etc. The aging population with rising chronic diseases and staff shortages is further stressing the already burdened healthcare ecosystem. Imagine a world where healthcare is centered around an individual. Preventive healthcare is keeping people outside hospitals. Even if you get sick, faster first-time right diagnosis, personalized treatment with precision medicine, and care at home. Well, I'm not talking about any science fiction. Much of it is reality today. Digital technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital twin, blockchain, 5G are enabling this healthcare transformation to cater to tomorrow's customers' needs. You can experience much of this in action at the IIT's Future Tech Congress on November 22nd in the Healthcare Spotlight. I will be there at the FTC to welcome the future. Will you?